Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. What we have out here is some more blanks that we found over the weekend. We're going to go ahead and get started with the Hotronics very soon. We are making our way closer and closer each day to getting that opened up. But when I do get started with it, I want to experiment a little, get some more experience under my belt. So I don't want to be spending a lot of money on blanks. So found a few flowery sack towels. We'll give those a shot. Some polar fleece throws of different varying colors and patterns. We're gonna just toss some screen prints on these that I went ahead and found online. Got a label maker, the PT2040SC from Brother. And on that note, let's go ahead and get started and unbox some screen prints. Coffee is in hand. We'll get this out of the way. As you can see, we got a lot. Where did I get them? World King. $3, $2.99. I should add that they're going to be used for the sublimation, being that they are 100% polyester. All right, here we go. Let's see how many we have to get through. Ooh, that one's heavy. Let's see. Okay, if you remember in one of our earlier videos, we're going to put that back there. When we put together our plastic holders, this is what the screen is going to go into. That way we can keep it safe from any elements. I am in the Midwest, and it is just the beginning stages of winter here, so we definitely don't want anything to mess up our beautiful screens that we have obtained to get started. On that note, let's see what we have. All right, first one that we are going to be opening is from Ruby Lee Designs. They are located in Texas. Let's see what we have. We have a big plastic Ziploc that the screen came in, and a rigid mailer. Can't wait to get this down. Let's see. Try to do some of the smaller ones. Let's see. This one is from Sugar Ice and Everything Nice out of Texas. I have been seeing a lot lately that they are no longer in business. We'll go ahead and cover that there, but you can see that the mailer's been opened. Let's see what we have here. We'll go ahead and open it. And it looks like, let's see. Oh, sorry. Now I will have to go back on my inventory sheet, which I have printed out just from my business email. And then that way we can make sure that everything came in that was supposed to for this order. Let's go ahead and put these. All right, let's go ahead and pull up that inventory sheet.